astigmatism basically is yung irregularity ng surface ng inyong cornea. So therefore, yung light waves ay hindi makakapasok ng maigi. Kung hindi kayo properly hydrated, there are some cells within yung cornea na magsishrink and therefore kukulubot, and that will cause irregularity. So with proper hydration at saka spray, it will restore yung turgidity. Okay, 'di ba yung function ng water, yung W is works to keep body cells toned. So kung maganda po yung turgidity ng cells ng mata, then it will correct astigmatism. Actually, yung president po natin na si Ma'am Bernie, siya mismo yung nagbibigay ng testimonial during the time na nakilala yung Ionic. Gumagamit po siya ng salamin. But sabi niya, within 4 days ba yun o 3 days, na gumamit siya ng Ionic at nagpatak, na-correct na po yung kanyang itong eyesight niya.